Did you know Americans can now earn money from the IPL, one of the biggest cricket leagues in the world? Whether you're a cricket fan or just looking for new ways to make money, this video will show you exactly how you can get involved. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Karan and welcome to Karan Finance, your go-to place for unique money-making ideas. Today, we're talking about something exciting: how Americans can earn money from the IPL, or Indian Premier League. You don't need to be a cricket expert to cash in on this opportunity. Here are 5 simple ways you can get started. Number 1. Fantasy leagues. The first way to earn money from the IPL is through fantasy leagues. Platforms like Dream 11 and FanDuel allow you to create virtual teams and compete for cash prizes. All you need is a good understanding of the players and their performance stats. It's like fantasy football but for cricket. Just remember to play responsibly and within your capacity. Number 2. Content creation. The second way is through content creation. If you're passionate about cricket, start a YouTube channel, blog, or social media page focused on IPL updates, player analysis, or match predictions. As your audience grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Plus, IPL fans are always looking for fresh content. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. The third way is affiliate marketing. Promote IPL-related products like jerseys, cricket gear, or streaming subscriptions on platforms like Amazon or Fanatics. Every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a simple way to make money while sharing products you love. Number 4. Freelancing for IPL teams. The fourth way is freelancing for IPL teams. Many teams hire freelancers for roles like social media management, graphic design, video editing, or data analysis. If you have these skills, reach out to IPL teams or agencies working with them. It's a great way to earn money while being part of the IPL action. Number 5. Investing in IPL-related stocks. The fifth way is investing in IPL-related stocks. Companies like Disney, which owns Star India, the broadcaster of IPL, or brands sponsoring IPL teams often see a boost during the tournament. By investing in these stocks, you can potentially earn profits as the IPL gains popularity. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unique money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.